Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this class we will learn how to solve this type of trigonometric problem. So in this problem you can see here in first one sine 39 by cos 51, we can see this in this first one we can see theta 1 plus theta 2 is equal to 90 degree. So where in any type of problem where you can see when you add the theta 1 like sine 1 or whatever it may be cos or it may be tan. So where you can see this one, that theta 1 plus theta 2 is equal to 90 degree, as here 39 plus 51 is equal to 90. So here we don't need to do anything. We will put theta 1 is equal to theta 2 is equal to 45 degree. In each and everywhere we need to put 45 degree. Let us put then here sine 39 and cos 51. When we add 39 with 51 it comes 90, so we can put it here. Now in the second one, that is tan 11, tan 31, tan 45, tan 59, tan 79, we can see properly that tan 11 plus tan 79 is equal to 90. So also here we can put tan 45. Tan 31 plus tan 59 is equal to 90. So here also we can put 45 degree here. It's already given in this area that tan 45, so we can put the value of tan 45. In this one, in this line we can see 21 plus 69 is equal to what? 90. So we can put here also 90. So let us go to the next page. Then so we'll put the value over here. So first one is sine 45 divided by cos 45. Just don't need to do anything, just put the value, just put the 45 in the every value. So here 2 into tan 45, 45, 45, 45, 45. So let's do 2 into tan 45, tan 45, tan 45, tan 45 and tan 45. Now given minus 3 whole into sine square 45 plus, let's check it out, yes, plus sine square 45. So this is the value. Now we need to just put the value. What is that? Is 1 by root 2. Sine 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. Cos 45 is also 1 by root 2 plus 2 into tan 45 is 1. So 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 into 1. That is a whole will be 1. Then minus 3 whole into sine square 45 is 1 by root 2 whole square plus again 1 by root 2 whole square. So from here 1 by root 2 1 by root 2 cancelled, 1 is there, it is also 2 minus 3, that is half plus half is equal to 1. So that is equal to 1 plus 2 minus 3, that is equal to 0. So we did in a long step, so it becomes what? 0. From here also we can put it directly, that is equal to sine 39 is equal to 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2. So it got cancelled, 1, then tan 45 is equal to 2, tan 45 is equal to 1, 1 into 2 is equal to 2, then minus 3, 1 by root 2 square 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, that becomes 1, then 1 plus 2 minus 3 is equal to 0. So within seconds we can get the answer of this. So hope you enjoyed the trick and do like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Thanks a lot. We'll meet in the next video.